Welcome to Bull and Thread. It seems like lately I've been really interested in the fact that a lot of treasures and lost items are right around us. Not just the hidden treasures that are popularized in the big public treasure hunts, but also the valuable items that are discovered at a local Goodwill or a thrift shop or a garage sale or some kind of flea market. And I've created a whole nother video on that topic alone. But in this video, I wanted to zoom in even closer to home. In fact, I'd like to zoom in on the homes that we live in. And recently, I started gathering a collection of stories of people who discovered hidden treasures in their own homes. And I'm going to go through some of those with you, and I've jotted down some notes along the way. So here's one. In 2008 in Paradise Valley, Arizona, there were $500 in cash in ammunition cans was hidden inside the walls. So Robert Spann spent years stuffing paper currency into military-style green metal ammunition cans and then hiding them inside the walls of his house. But then after he died in 2001, his daughters found hundreds of cans containing the gold and the cash. They sold the house in 2008. New owners found 4 more cans during remodeling that the daughters hadn't located. 2 behind the kitchen wall and 2 in the bathroom frame. And it was containing $500,000 in cash bills. Or how about this one? $128,000 in Depression-era paper currency was found in a bathroom wall in 2006 in Cleveland, Ohio. There was a contractor, Bob Kitts. He was tearing the bathroom wall out of an 83-year-old home near Lake Erie when he discovered 2 green metal lockboxes inside the wall below the medicine cabinet. And inside were bundles of paper bills from the late 1920s printed during bank collapses. The money had been hidden by Patrick Dunn, a wealthy businessman. 21 descendants eventually made a claim to it. But the homeowner and Kitts couldn't agree on how to split it, so it went to court and almost everyone lost in that particular case. Or here's another one. 66 glass bottles of Prohibition-era Scotch whiskey were hidden inside the walls and under the floors and discovered in 2020 in Ames, New York. Nick Drummond and Patrick Baker were renovating a farmhouse that was built in 1950, and they found these 66 bottles of old smuggler Gaelic Scotch whiskey stashed between walls and under stud floors. Full bottles were estimated at a value of about $1,000 each. Or here's another one that's fascinating. 2013 in Elbow Lake, Minnesota, there was a paper comic book that was used as wall insulation. And it was an Action Comics #1, a paper comic book published in June of 1938, the first issue to feature a character that you've probably heard of, Superman. It ends up having some damage to it, but it had a value of about $175,000, or fewer than 100 copies that are known to exist. I have a couple more for you. $23,000 in paper currency and metal lunchboxes were discovered in a basement ceiling in 2016, again in Cleveland, Ohio. Looks like homes in Cleveland, Ohio are worth maybe more than what it might look like on the surface. This Ohio couple was renovating their basement and they found an old lunchbox wedged between the ceiling and the floor above. And inside were 3 bundles wrapped in wax paper containing thousands of dollars in $50 and $100 bills, printed between 1928 and 1934. They called a lawyer, and then they found a second box that was valued around $45,000, and they found a hidden crawlway with a briefcase. The FBI got involved in that one. I'm not sure how it ended, but fascinating find and discovery. In 2005, we go to Arlington, Vermont, where an original Norman Rockwell oil painting was hidden inside the walls. The cartoonist Don Tracy, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but you can correct me in the comments if you want, owned Norman Rockwell's Breaking Homes ties, an oil painting on canvas roughly 44 by 44 inches. And during his divorce, he painted an exact copy. He hung the copy on a wall and he hid the real painting inside the wall of his house. His sons found it after his death during the renovation. That one's kind of intriguing too. Or here's another one. There were 6,000 secret Nazi-era Holocaust documents inside the walls in Budapest, Hungary. A couple renovating their home in Hungary found these 6,000 documents inside their walls. The documents contained Holocaust-era census records, counting Jewish people, designating homes, organizing these ghettos within Budapest. The documents were rare because Nazis typically destroyed the records, and you wouldn't want to attach a monetary value to it, but incredible historical value and also value for some of the families that were involved. And then one last one here, $50,000 in cash inside a hidden kitchen wall safe. Now, a homeowner noticed a sheet of wood on a wall that seemed out of place, took it down and found a safe hidden in the kitchen wall. Inside was $50,000 in cash, a bottle of bourbon, and a copy of a book, A Guide for the Perplexed. This one has been circulated widely, but it's a little hard for me to pin down for sure. Some of these may have pieces of truth and other parts that were added on a little bit later. We go through all of these, and it's simply a reminder that there may well be things hidden right in your own home. Now, I wouldn't encourage you to go tearing out all your walls in search of hidden bills or bottles of moonshine or something of that sort, but maybe if you're working on some kind of renovation, take some time and look a little more closely. Maybe along the way, maybe right underneath your feet or on the wall next to you, there could be something you never expected. Who knows? And maybe, just maybe, this will prompt you and myself to pay a little more attention, to approach even the familiar with a measure of curiosity and intrigue and wonder and interest. And just maybe that will give you the edge to notice things that other people miss.